Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm excited to show an unboxing of an Oraloa painting. As I said, I do buy from other companies. I fell in love when I first did an Oraloa round, so I recently kind of did a big order of Oraloa paintings, so I was waiting for this one specifically, and as I probably stated in my other unboxings I recently done, I'm planning to put up for vote on the weekend for the next smaller canvas that y'all choose for me to continue on, because I'm really close to finishing my Plumeria painting. I'm super close. So I want to know the next one. Sorry, have y'all vote for the next one that I'll continue on. And with Oraloa boxes, they are really sturdy. I'm a big fan of them. And at the bottom, oh, apologies, that's not the bottom. They do include, and it's kind of a weird angle, image of the canvas. I had it upside down. I'm not too sure if the light will show. And there we go. It's a wonderful little kind of Red Riding Hood with a wolf. I really liked when I saw this painting. And on the side as well, it includes a small image of the canvas as well. Not all of the Oraloa boxes have that, but I've been seeing a lot of the recent ones I've been purchasing. They do include it. I'm a big fan of it. So let me take everything out of the box. Funny thing about the boxes, some of them are kind of large, even though the canvas is not. Which you will see, this is a smaller canvas. I don't mind. It really helps keep the canvas secure. So I kind of like that the boxes are a little longer, a little larger than the actual canvas. I'm a big fan of that. So their canvases are wrapped in a nice little sturdy plastic on them. And let me just pull the painting out real quick. And there we go. Ooh, that was smooth. So Oraloa canvases are really nice and velvety soft. Really big fan of that when I've been working on my last canvas. And let me just unfurl everything from the canvas. The diamonds are wrapped up as well as the toolkit and the label sheet. So let me put all of this aside real quick, and we'll leave the canvas to let it rest. I've never had in any of the Oraloa canvases I've unboxed and worked on have a crease. So that's, I'm a big fan of their canvases, that I know that anytime I have to roll them up or put them aside, I know there's not going to be a crease in the canvas. Big fan of that. I'm just rolling it the opposite way just to assist it. Ooh, sorry. On laying down a little bit more straight. And oh my goodness, this is so cute. Now I see it in person. She's a happy, just really happy little Red Riding Hood with a really nice, cute little wolf. I really like that. This is so cute. I love this. And I did specifically pick a round because I love their rounds. And I'm passing them rounds. So let's look at the toolkit. And we'll leave, as I said, we'll leave the canvas to rest a bit. Oraloa always puts their toolkits in really nice, really sturdy plastic bags. I've seen that with other canvases I've opened. Big fan of that. Ooh, sorry, there is a lot in this little bag. So let me just pour everything out. Oh my goodness, there is a lot. That surprised me a bit. So, little sturdy bag. I saw this first. It's a nice little red funnel. Really useful when you're kitting up and you're putting your diamonds in whatever storage container you plan to use, as well as cute little stickers, their little emblem. And oh, I love this little turtle. Oh, that is so cute. And it does include these. Oh, I don't have this one. So these are really sturdy kind of plastic little plates. As you can see, to my understanding, you can collect them, but you can use it for other items. I do have two other ones, and I do plan to purchase some magnets. I would love these as cover minders because they're really large, and they do hold on. They would hold down a large piece of plastic whenever I'm painting. Oh, I really like this. It's so cute. It's a really happy turtle ready to rumble. I'm assuming there's a little fist. I really love these little tiles, and includes their little business card. Shows the whole crew. Really like that. Thank you for your purchase, and the information about all of their social media and their support. Big fan of that. And I haven't gone one of these. Oh, it's a little scratch off card. It says here, oops, sorry. Wait, there you go. It's also in French. That's why I have to check it. Scratch me and find out if you've won an Oraloa surprise. Oh, I'll scratch that off in a moment. I kind of don't want to get a mess around on my poor little canvas. It includes a nice little pair of, oh, it's purple this time. I've gone one that are pink and blue, so this is purple. Ooh, really nice sharp tweezers. I really love their tweezers. They're really, really useful. And a nice little container with 3 pads of this beautiful blue wax. Big fan of that. I do love my blue wax. A nice roll of their washi tape, which includes their name. And I love this tape as well. I've used it for other things other than lining the canvas. It's really good quality tape. That's I'm a big fan of it. As well as their standard pen, which comes with a 3-placer, a multi-placer of 3, and a multi-placer of 7. I'm really bad at spotting it, but it's real neat because I do love these plastic placers because they're a little thin, so they're real useful whenever you're multi-placing on your canvas. Big fan of that. And as well, the nice little grip for the pen. So let me just, oh, I got it this time. I usually can't slide it. Really useful if you need to paint for a while. Really comfortable for your hands. And their tray. I love these trays. I use them for whenever I need a little tray just to, you know, add some quick little colors on the canvas. And it pours out with a spout. I really love this tray a lot. So let me put everything back in the bag. Ooh, if I can get everything back in the bag. I really love their tool set. The first time I ever opened an Oraloa canvas, I just fell in love when I started pouring everything out. Mostly because I'm sorry, I apologize. I was about to state something, but for some reason I kind of forgot what I was going to say. I do apologize. It's later in the day. So let me just get everything back in the bag. Oh, I love these tweezers so much. And I love the little funnel. I don't have a red one. I think I'll use this for my next kit up. Let's see what the little scratch off has. And I'm trying to see if I have anything. Well, actually, let me move the canvas because I feel kind of bad getting some of, you know how when you scratch off, it has these little, oh, actually, I have a lot of tweezers, so I'll use the end of tweezers. Sorry, Diamondart clip. So let me scratch and let's see what it says. I've seen other diamond painters have these little cards. I just never received one. And it says, please try again. It's okay. I own a lot of canvases. So I'll just put it aside real quick. That's real cute. I kind of like that. Just making sure I can clear everything off of my desk. And there we go. Oh, I really love this canvas. And I always lose a multi-placer. I have no idea why. They always get away from me. So let me put that back in the bag real quick and put everything aside. Real excited to use that little tray as a cover minder. I just have to purchase a couple of magnets, which I always seem to forget every time I'm trying to order, you know, little items from Amazon. So rolled up in the canvas is little just information about diamond painting in several different languages, as well as a discount code for your next purchase, as well as social media information. In the back, just step-by-step instructions, especially if you're new to diamond painting. I'm a big fan of that because it's really useful for anyone who's new to the craft. And this is the label sheet. Oh my goodness. Their label sheet, the last time I did an unboxing, I saw that it's really sparkly, and I'm just rolling it just to get it to stay straight. Really nice and silvery, and I love that. And I love that their labels are really large. This canvas has 42 colors, and it includes 3 ABs. And I believe that's it. Yeah, that's all the special diamonds, which I don't mind. It's such a small canvas. I just really love this canvas. And it is called Red Inner Wolf by Monica Morrison. It's a 40 by 40 centimeters or 15.75 by 15.75 inches. And this is a round diamond. I should have stated that in the beginning. Apologies for that. I kind of thought the label sheet might say, but that's okay. We'll go through the diamonds in a moment. As you can see, nice, cute little Red Riding Hood with her wolf. I really love the flowers on this canvas. I just love the little nice, really, to me, I find it peaceful. It's just a cute little drawing. Big fan of that. And all the labels are pre-cut and they aren't adhesive. I just have to be really careful. as you see, and they're really sturdy. So since they're a little larger, the last time I did a kit up, I cut off all of the legend numbers because I do everything by symbol when I paint. So they're a little bigger, but you can just use them this size as well for whatever storage unit you're going to use. I really like these labels. So let me put it aside real quick. And let's look at the canvas. At the top, it has the name of the company, Oraloa. And on the top left, lower right, has a full legend of all the colors. Big fan of that because I do spin my canvas around. At the bottom right corner is information about their social media, as well as their customer service information in case you need to reach out to them for any questions. Big fan of that because I really love accessing their website. Big fan of that. On the lower part of the middle of the canvas is their motto, let your creativity sparkle. And on the lower left corner, a small thumbprint of the image and all the information about the canvas. I really like that because I do use the little picture as a reference. On top, it has a nice, really sturdy plastic. As you can hear, really love that. And the drill field, every time with the fingerprints, is really sturdy. That's why I really love these canvases. And as you can see, I believe I can get it all in shot. Let me fix the lighting a bit, just so you don't get a lot of reflection from my little ring light. It's wonderful. I love the red of her little cape. I'm a big fan of that. And I love the blue and the little shadow kind of misty effect of the forest behind her. Ooh, I really love this canvas. It's so cute. And I actually got this canvas because I saw that they had a discount on it. So that's why I really wanted to pick it up. And I saw it was around, so it was a double bonus for me. Really like this canvas. So let's look at the diamonds. So Oraloa does put an identifier for the canvas. As you can see, R0467 is the identifier for this painting, which you can see here on the lower corner. So if you store your painting and your diamonds at two different locations, don't worry, they'll always find each other. I love that they put these little identifiers so you can locate the diamond. So let's check out the diamonds. And apologies for the crinkly noise. I cannot find the end. I don't know why. I always have an issue whenever I'm trying to find the end of the little plastic bags. Apologies if you hear running around. My upstairs neighbors, as I said, it's later in the day. You'll hear them running around a bit. So apologies. Oraloa does kit up all of their diamonds in resealable bags. As you can see, all throughout. Myself, I do not work out of bags. I am so clumsy. I spilled them before. So that's why I do not do that. I kind of don't want to take them out because they look so nice. So we'll go through them in this manner. As you can see, all the beautiful blues. Nice little eggplant colors. That red, I know it's going to go on her cape. A big fan of that. And these are the ABs. So let's take out the special drills. Or diamonds, apologies. So we can see specifically what they look like. So this is number 42, which is the last one. And they're all in numerical order, which I find real neat. They match the legend. So that's I'm a big fan of that. These three are the special diamonds, but we'll look at one of the regular diamonds as well. When I finished my last Oraloa canvas, I fell in love with the rounds. So that's why anytime I'm doing any Oraloa paintings, first ones I always look at, especially if they're having discounts, I always look at the rounds. I just fell in love with them. They're so shiny. I love the shine on them. And the placement is really comfortable. That's why I'm a big fan of them. As you can see, the wonderful little shine on the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I really love these rounds. And so, these are the ABs. The number 40, which is this beautiful purple AB. And in case you're not familiar, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a little coating on the diamond that gives it that beautiful prismatic effect. Big fan of that. And the symbol for this one is the circle with the line. I always forget what that symbol represents, but that's all I got. So this wonderful purple, I'm assuming it's on the flowers. Yep, it's this part here on the flowers, on this flower as well. All of these little purple flowers are going to be real sparkly with this AB. Ooh, big fan of that. Our next color is 606 AB. And as you can see, it's a beautiful red. You can see the beautiful prismatic effect of the AB. Big fan of that. And the symbol for this one is a bullseye. It's a circle with a dot in it. And of course, it's on her cape. Oh my goodness, it's a majority of her cape. It's here on her shoulder and arm, as well as here at the base of the little cape here. And I thought it was, nope, around here. And here in the little flowing part of the cape, there is some here, as well on the top with the hood. It's really sporadic, so it's kind of all over the place, which I'm a big fan of. I thought it might be on her lips, but it's not. It's mostly on the cape. I really love that. And the last color is 5200 AB, which is that wonderful little white color. And the symbol for this one is 2 dashes that look like this. To me, they look like eyebrows. That's what I call it. It's just a dash doing a little effect. Reminds me of the anime eyebrows. That's why I call them eyebrows. This little white, oh, it's on the wolf. It's here on its little snout. Sorry about that. It's here in this area. Oh, that is real neat. I love that yeah, it's mostly here. I love the little wolf is going to have some a little sparkle too. And I believe that's the only area it's in. I'm just making sure there's any other white spots that might have this color. No, it's all here on the wolf. Oh, that's going to look so pretty. I like that. It's going to contrast really well with the red. Really like that. Oh, that is such a cool effect. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to show today. I really, as I said, fell in love with this canvas. Not just because it's a really small one. Excuse me. I just really love the little image. And I usually do not do a lot of canvases that have more of a, I don't want to say cartoony look, but kind of that style. And especially in this size, I think it's just perfect. And it will look so cute on my walls. That's how I was thinking about it. So this canvas as well, I will put all the information in the description below. And this image will also be up for vote for, as I said, for the next small canvas I decide to move forward. You know, whatever y'all vote for. Stay tuned for that. It will be at this upcoming Saturday that I'll put it up and y'all get to decide. I'm really excited because I really love I love all the canvases I've been showing, but this one, I don't know, there's just something a little special about this one. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Little wolves and all. Sorry, I was going to say fox. Sorry about that. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.